After you watch How the Tiger Got His Stripes on YouTube, this is the activity that I would like you to complete. You can see it's got the shape of a book here, and you're going to be a book reviewer. That means you're going to tell us something about the book and what you liked about the book. So don't worry about the author. I'm not really concerned about that this time. I would like you to write the title, How the Tiger Got His Stripes. And then what was the story about? So you tell me in a sentence in this section here what the story was about. Who were the characters? That means who was the main people or animals in the story. I don't want to know everybody, just the main ones, just maybe 2 or 3. What did you like about the book? Fill that in there. Did you like the pictures? Did you like the way the story was told? Did you like the main character? Did you like the excitement of the story? I don't know, but before you fill this in, have a think about what you liked about it. And then draw your favorite picture from the book. All right, so that's what it is there. Now this bit here, your rating, something out of 10. It's like when we have a spelling test or any other test. We count up all the things that we got right and we put it in there. So this isn't something about you got right or wrong. This is how much did you like the book? What did you think of it? If you really, really liked it, you might give it a 9 out of 10, or a 10 out of 10, or an 8 out of 10. If you thought it was pretty good, you might give it a 6 or a 7 out of 10. If you didn't like it, you might give it a 3 or a 4 out of 10. So this bit is what you thought about the book. So that bit you fill in at the end. Don't forget to put your name at the top here. So your name goes there, and then you submit it into Seesaw for me. Off you go, and I hope you enjoy it.